Welcome to the HKEST Awards ceremony. We hope you enjoy the event and the inspiring presentation that I had.
As we celebrate these achievements today, we are reminded of the importance of supporting and nurturing our next generation of engineers and scientists. Stress on the importance of further strengthening the promotion of STEAM education.
It is my great honor to introduce the esteemed recipients of the Hong Kong Engineering, Science and Technology Award, individuals whose contributions have significantly shaped the landscape of engineering and technology. First awardee is Professor Mingxin HUANG, Professor Yi-Chun LU, Professor Tommy Mingxin WEI, Professor Angus YIP.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. We look forward to seeing you at the next HKES Award activities. Thank you.